Hello and welcome to today's video. You love shipping container homes? Then don't go away. In this video, we bring to you a one-bedroom shipping container house that you will love, and you can convert it into a nice guest house in your backyard. Good, welcome back. In this particular design, we've explored an opportunity for you to use a single 40-foot shipping container to create a nice, modern and beautiful shipping container house that can be used as a guest house, where you can comfortably put it in your backyard and list it on Airbnb or any other rental platform and earn some extra income. Yeah, in this particular design, we've used a single 40-foot shipping container in a creative way so that it looks elegant and it could pass for any modular house. In fact, if you are not keen, you can't tell it's a shipping container house. So we want to present to you the design in full color, and we also have all the drawings and the floor plans for you to help you at least understand more about this amazing shipping container house design. So in the concept, we used a single 40-foot shipping container, and then we created a nice entrance porch, which is the basic element that defines this particular house. So from this particular arrangement, you can at least get 320 square feet of habitable space. So what are the salient features we've managed to accommodate in this particular house? So in this particular house, we have managed to accommodate a very nice compact kitchenette, which is abutting to a nice dining space. Yeah, we also have some nice overhead cabinets for the kitchenette. Yeah, we have a full bedroom with wardrobes and full height sliding glass doors for adequate lighting. We also have a nice horizontal slit window to light up the sink space. Yeah, so you also have a full bathroom with a shower and a toilet and a wash and basin. So it's a full bathroom for you there to use. Yeah, on the frontal elevation, we have a nice entrance porch, which is a good and interesting canopy designed using timber projections. Yeah, and you find that it gives you an opportunity to add some extra outdoor sitting space to these constricting dimensions of a shipping container house. Furthermore, it also helps you to define the character of this particular house, and as I had mentioned earlier, it's very hard to tell if this is a shipping container house. Yeah, on the rear side of the house, the container is deliberately designed without any fenestrations, and the few that are there, they're basically to light up the toilet and the kitchen sink. Yeah, so we have full height sliding doors that are used on the living room area and also the bedroom space. And in the bedroom space, we have a small private balcony that can only be accessed from the bedroom. Yeah, you can explore different materials for your exterior finishes as we've indicated there, so that at least you can try what you find is appropriate for you. Yeah, in this particular design, we used some nice timber cladding to create that module, which comes as an additional piece to the standard 40-foot shipping container. So other than that, we also have an additional roof, which is a standard flat seam roof that comes with it, so that it can protect the shipping containers from direct solar radiation and other weather elements, and also helps to regulate temperature to the internal spaces. So in terms of interior finishes, you are encouraged to use light colored finishes for your interiors so that you can make the space look a bit brighter and bigger than what it is. Yeah, you can use a sofa bed for the sitting room so that you can transform it into a bed at night and use it as a seat during the day. Yeah, the dining table can also act as a small study room because of the ergonomic design that we provided for you. Yeah, you have enough storage space. We have an overhead cabinet there in the kitchenette. We also have an underside uh, cabinet space for a small fridge, so you can also swap it with the washing machine if you find a washing machine is more important to you than a fridge. Yeah, you're looking at the floor. We finish it with the at least timber laminates, so that at least you are able to have a nice modern floor finish. The bedroom is designed in such a way that the bed is placed in a cruciform direction, whereby the headboard is facing on one of the ends of the shipping container, so that at least you don't have the constricting dimensions of the shipping container coming into your way. We've also given you a full height sliding window to at least help you kill the claustrophobic feel of like you are sleeping in a tight shipping container space. And from that particular arrangement, it's even very difficult to tell if this is a shipping container space that has been transformed into a bedroom. As we had indicated, you need to try and see if you can use similar materials for the kitchen and also for the bathroom space, so that you can have a harmonious internal space. The rear of this shipping container is provided with a wire mesh which has been welded onto the wall of the shipping container to provide space for growing climbers, to introduce a bit of greenery to that particular facade. Yeah, that aerial view is showing you the flat standard seam roof that we've used for our shipping container design, and as indicated there is for temperature regulation and also for aesthetic value. Yeah, so that particular entrance porch is what I had indicated earlier. It gives character to this house, and from that particular elevation you can see it looks modern, it looks chic, and it looks elegant, and anyone can transform it into what they want. Yeah, it also gives you some nice outdoor sitting space to at least to complement the constricting dimensions of a shipping container house. Yeah, that private balcony to the master bedroom, as I had indicated earlier, to at least to seclude it from the public space, where we have an entrance porch. We can also act as an outdoor retreat for those who want to have a cool breeze or some fresh air away from the indoor living environment. Yeah, we've also provided you with a private balcony from the sitting room, so that at least you can have some quiet space if you don't want to get disturbance from people if they're using the main entrance porch to your guest house. Yeah, yeah, so you are also encouraged to use full height windows as we've done there, so that you have maximum daylighting. You also have adequate ventilation. Yeah, so that is something you need to consider. The climbers are growing perfectly at the rear of the shipping container, at least to cover up all those bare walls at the back. Yeah, you can do a bit of landscaping, plant a bit of flowers to just soften the space around your shipping container house. In this particular design, we used a raft foundation. Yeah, but you are free to explore any other type of foundation that you find appropriate for you, like what you've used in our previous designs. Feel free to check out our YouTube channel to find out what you've done with our previous designs, and there are different types of foundations. So there's a video we've also done on 5 types of foundations that are used in shipping container homes, so feel free to find out more about that. We retain the original cargo doors of this particular shipping container, so that we can create a nice outdoor Juliet balcony as I had indicated, and also remember to extend your foundation to accommodate that particular extension from your shipping container cabin. Yeah, so in terms of materials, you are encouraged to explore any other material that you find appropriate. Like here we used timber for our nice extension. In this design, we've also provided you with a cost estimate checklist to help you on the planning and cost estimation for your shipping container project. So go through the list, and if you find there's an over provision, remove what you feel is inappropriate, and what is missing, feel free to add to help you have a complete list. We've also provided you with drawings that can help you to go through the project and at least come up with what you find is appropriate. So feel free to use any design elements or ideas that you find interesting in this particular design in your own container project. So if you want to buy these blueprints or drawings for this design, feel free to visit us on our website. We have a whole set of drawings that comes with dimension, floor plans. We have elevations, we have a roof plan, we have a foundation plan, and even we have section details. So you'll get all your drawings either in DWG or in a PDF format, depending on what you find appropriate. Yeah, we will also provide you with a complete list of colored pictures and black and white or full color dimension drawings, depending on what you like. So what do you think about this design? Do you like it? If you do, let us know by posting in the comments below. If you have any ideas that you feel we should have incorporated in this particular design, feel free to tell us, also by commenting below. Yeah, you are also encouraged to like the video and also give it a thumbs up, and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed also, so that you are receive our weekly videos whenever we post them. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.